In Northstar, users can now create accounts and log in using their Gmail accounts. This can be a helpful feature for learners who struggle to remember multiple passwords. Admins at Northstar locations can change their settings to allow learners to sign in via Gmail. To enable single sign-on, log into the admin portal. Click Location Info at the top. Then click Manage Login Experience. On this page, you can use the toggles to enable single sign-on. Once this is enabled, both learners and staff can make Northstar accounts using their Gmail. Please note that enabling single sign-on does not change the process for adding learners. You can still add learners via the admin portal. Learners can also sign up via self-registration if you have enabled this at your location. Learners will only be able to sign in using Gmail if they have a Gmail account. For more information on making new learner accounts, please see our video on creating and managing learner accounts. Additionally, once learners or staff create an account via Gmail, they will no longer be able to use a unique Northstar-specific password.